We'll guide you through how to set up Google Ads on Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Wix dashboard and log in to your account. Once you're in, head over to the Marketing and SEO section on the left-hand menu. Click on Marketing Integrations and you'll see an option for Google Ads. If you haven't connected your Google account yet, you'll need to do that first. Click on Connect and sign in to your Google account, making sure you give Wix the necessary permissions to access your Google Ads account. After your accounts are connected, you can start creating your ad campaign. Click on Create Campaign, and you'll be guided through the process. You'll need to choose your campaign objective, whether it's driving traffic to your site, increasing sales, or promoting a new product. Then, select your target audience by specifying demographics, locations, and interests. Next, set your budget. Decide how much you want to spend daily or monthly, and Google Ads will optimize your campaign accordingly. Now it's time to create your ad. Write a catchy headline and description, and make sure you include a clear call to action. Choose the right keywords that are relevant to your business and what your potential customers might be searching for. Finally, review all your settings, and if everything looks good, click on Publish to launch your campaign. Remember, you can always go back and tweak your campaign settings if needed to improve performance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.